Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table using SQL. To create a table, we use the keyword createTable, followed by the name of the table. For example, employees. Then we open parentheses and start listing the columns of the table. Let's start with the ID. We'll set its type to integer, and we'll also make it the primary key of the table. Next is first name, which we'll set as varchar open parenthesis 30 close parenthesis, meaning it's a text field with a maximum of 30 characters. Then comes last name, which is the same. Varchar open parenthesis 30 close parenthesis. After that, we have the phone column. That will store the employee's phone number. We'll make it an integer. And finally, position, which is the job title. We'll use varchar open parenthesis 20 close parenthesis for that. Once we've added all the columns, we close the parentheses and end the SQL statement with a semicolon. Now let's hit run and see the result. Here we go. The employees table has been created successfully with all the fields and the primary key. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.